Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a clay and roll them together like this. Now after that, we have to spread it over the sheet with the help of a spatula or a stick. Now draw the stems and leaves with the green marker like this of the flowers and draw the leaves like this and it's done. Next, take the orange peel and then we have to draw the lines over it or just cut it with the scissor and make the shape of the petals and make a flower out of it. Paste it on the white sheet and put the orange peel of the darker shade in the between. Now draw the stems and leaves with the green marker. Draw the leaves of the stems like this. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take the white sheet and draw the semicircular shapes of it. Now make the house. Now after that, draw the doors and windows of the house. Color the each circles with the different colors. Make the lines and dots of it like this over them and it's done. Next, take the wooden cardboard sheet, tear it from the between and then cut it. Take the white clay to make the ice creams over the cone. Decorate it with the different flavors. To put the flavors over it, use different color clay balls. And it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines of the hands like this. Now, we have to draw the land. Now, make the trees over each fingers. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now, we have to color the branch of the tree with the brown color. Make the leaves of different shades of your choice. And fill the grass with the green color. Make some birds and it's done. Next, we have to take the double-sided tape, paste it like this. Put the dry bushy leaves over it to make the hen. Now make its eyes, legs and the crown. Now take the empty peanut shell and paste them near it to make its cheeks. Make its eyes, make its beak like this and it's ready. Next, we will be taking a brown sheet and then we will be taking the earbuds. Tear them like this and then paste them to make the flower. Put the clay in the between like this of different colors. Make the honeybee and butterfly near the flowers like this. Make the stems and leaves with the green marker as shown in the video and draw the leaves like this. Now after that, we have to draw the lines over the white sheet, make the hand-like shape. Now make the eyes of the dinosaur, make the thorns on the back, make it sharp teeth. Now make the lines over its body, make its eyes and color it with the green color like this. Now fill the yellow color in the between, put the orange color on the back and your dragon is ready. Next, we'll be taking the circular shape and then put the lining strips over it to make the fence. Now take the orange color paper, tear it like this as shown in the video. Now paste them one by one over the fence like this. Now after that, you have to take the green color paper to make the stems of the oranges like this. Paste them as shown in the video and your oranges are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the clay, fold it like this or just roll it and then press it and then fold it. Pinch it like this from the sides and then you have to make the eyes, nose and mouth of it. Paste it over the white sheet. We have to draw different clays like this. Make the legs and hands of it and it's ready. Next, take a red color paper and tear it from the side. So take the paper of an apple shape. Now we have to draw the stems of it. Now make a caterpillar with the colorful paper. Make its eyes and the legs. Now put the pieces of the tiered red paper to put the rotten apple like this. And it's done. Thanks for watching the video.